We are upping our New Year's Eve meal game with some quail-ity options from Chef Andrea Monzon using quail eggs. I don't know if you knew the pun was coming, but I'm sure you've heard it a million times. Awesome. Well, welcome to the show. What do we have here?
Yeah, so here we have some very festive quail egg recipes. Because New Year's coming up, I feel like it'd be best to have more of an appetizer bite or appetizer recipes 2-bite kind of thing. So these are the best way to showcase the quail eggs. They're small, so they're adorable. People love to see them, and they're the best. Yeah. So I was thinking we should start by cracking some quail eggs. It's not it's not common knowledge how to crack them because they're so small. They have a thicker membrane, so we need a knife to cut them. Okay. So here, let me show you.
Awesome.
So we're gonna grab the quail egg with the pointy end on the bottom, and then with the knife, we're just gonna stab it a little bit.
Oh goodness. Sorry, I'm not very skilled in the kitchen.
Don't
just throwing that one out there to begin with.
You want to hold it close.
Right
there we go.
there.
Right then. And then make a little incision.
Okay. Oh,
and then just make a little circle.
Amazing. So I was telling you earlier, I've actually never had a quail egg before, so I'm very excited to try, and I definitely did not know you need to cut them.
Yes. So this is the best way to do it, and then you just pour it into the bowl that you're using directly. Here, I'll just put this in here for now.
Amazing.
And there we go. And you have your little quail egg. Might have to be a bit bigger.
You know what? Yeah, I didn't get the membrane, like you said. That's the important part, right? Awesome. Okay. Coming out slowly but surely.
But there we go. So this is the best way to crack a quail egg. You put in your bowl, whisk it, scrambled eggs, or whatever you want to make. But you can also make them as jammy quail eggs, which is 2.5 minutes in boiling water, or hard boiled. But here's an example of what it would look like when it's jammy. Look at that.
Beautiful.
So fun. Yeah. So I'll explain some of the recipes.
Well, first I just want to ask, what is the difference like in taste from a quail egg to a chicken egg? Yeah.
Yes, they're creamier. They have a larger yolk to egg white ratio, which makes them so creamy and perfect for desserts. And I love them in salads.
Amazing. Well, let's jump right in then. Tell me about one of your appetizers.
Yeah, so here we have a potato nest with some chorizo and baked quail eggs. It's a 2-bite appetizer. It's so delicious. And then here we have a bit more fancy, but it's a baked pear with gorgonzola cheese.
Oh, just a bit more fancy. This is beautiful. just a little bit more fancy. Look at it. How do you make something like this?
Yeah, so all you do, very simple. You put your pears, you core them, add the gorgonzola cheese, your pecans, and then you bake in the oven for 10 minutes. Take it out, and then just add your jammy quail egg on top.
Amazing. Okay, so this can't be that long of a recipe then to make.
No, it's only 3 ingredients, and it's all on the website on springcreekquail.com.
Perfect.
Just find them there. And
amazing. So it'd be great for New Year's. I know it can get pretty hectic and all the prep.
Exactly.
Awesome. What do you have over here? This looks delicious.
Yeah, so this is a crostini with caramelized onion, some balsamic figs, some brie, and then also the jammy quail eggs. I love jammy quail eggs.
I'm sensing a theme here, some jammy quail eggs.
They're the best way to eat
But these
quail
ones
eggs.
are not jammy quail eggs.
They're not, no. These are actually baked into the galette, which is a pie pastry. Okay. And then it's filled with caramelized onion, some sauteed mushrooms, and then the quail egg goes in there, and then you bake it all together. And it comes out this beautifully.
So it's baked in pie, but it's not a sweet dish. It's very much a savory one?
It's very much savory, yes. Okay. So a little appetizer to begin your night with, and then to end the night.
Yes, of course. Then we have the actual sweet dish, of course.
Yes. So these are the peppermint 2-bite brownies, and they're made with quail eggs, obviously, and also have an eggnog caramel to accompany it.
Oh, lovely.
Would you like to try one?
Yes, I would love to try. I was going to ask actually if you didn't suggest it, so I'm glad that I could be like, oh, sure, I'll have one if you insist.
Yes.
These look delicious. Okay, amazing. We have 1 minute left. Where can people find all of these recipes online?
Yes, so on springcreekquail.com. All the recipes are there. Any other tips and tricks on how to cook quail eggs, how to cut them open. There's a video there on how to teach you.
Which I struggle with. It's harder than it looks. I want to throw out there.
Exactly. So it's all on there, or Spring Creek Quail on Instagram and Facebook. Find all the recipes on there, some recipe videos as well, and know more about the farm, about how they're sustainably raise their quails as well. And yeah.
Awesome. Okay, well, we should get all of our information up on our website as well. We have just 30 seconds left. Take me briefly through where you find quail eggs. In grocery stores?
Yes, of course. Yeah, so these, you can find them at your local grocery store in Fortino's or in your metro. The springcreekquail.com also has a store locator.
Oh, wonderful.
So just type in your address or the city that you're close by, and it will take you right to the...
Perfect. Well, cheers then. Thank you so much. Let's try these out. We have more Morning Live for you coming up right after this.